phone in and cry. So be a share sa program here. Odachi ewo nsem. Eni obi ansem wo nsem. So be ye senye ye no ejina so. Program wa nya papa ma ene na mafoi eni ye kra so sabe ye benefo ze ajia bebre wom to biara enchi na fidie mo hwe abrebi a obati odachi ewo nsem na ohun se eye papa eye man ne enchirima eni ye nya yakenina
odachi wo nsem ye TV program Yadiaba a cheche nkofo kwa mefa so ase de be ya omudache ebesi omuyi etina Ghana for Mr. Ye fam toro ba kope e man probi obia nkoso enhwe odache wo nsam na eye program a de oman Ghana ebekonani
last week Odachi wo nsem dwumadi a wo hwe wo fa futuo bebre wom role model na beka sa ya ma wonya nyaso nya hotoso se anya hwe kwa ne debi ebeye ene menyon monyamfo amene betwetwe nkomo afa Odachi wo nsem NDC Deputy Secretary and Dinde Koku Anyido me so your big role model osa your mentor ono enene me betwetwe nkomo afa Odachi wo nsem dwumadi eso ye kwa kwaje nkrato aba menua Medofo, my young comrade, a bar, they don't come on by Sheshes. Nim dear mammy, echo me.
The Pomodi wants some, Yenfen Yagro, and Nunti, there's a woman made papa unqua. Exodus Moringa capsules, and Exodus Dandelion capsules, a yenta, and Nunti, Yenumbum. You wait too, na you wait too. Nanom 1 hour answer na wedidi 3 times a day. E banisa e bo mama jani die fro sane na fe e boost wo immune system no na kwatia yarewa ahodo. Minimu ye se obie nim dia moringa to me ye na dandelion so ye nim. Na we die ye se numbom enti wa wo sha. Se wo pandudu wetu a bomodian na kore Past Ventures ewo Okaishi Drug Lane ewo Accra anase freyen ewo 02732555533 Exodus ehu dance die doso.
Say no to mosquitoes, say no to kakalika, mosquito spray for Piabo. Any classic no, uko gaswa kasami bia mi peno. Mami mi toba kwa menu, mami no. No mosquito for eham, and sansumpu was yet kasa wa. Fola fo, fola fo. Mama yesisha, mama yesisha, mama yesipre. Fola fo. Classic no mosquito spray and coil. Who better feel it? Fola fo. Say tutum ninta Fredia, and ya kase no.
Me da se wonya abotre atwa wonua ba amakwaje nkrato aba sisafe no beso uti na aye Odachi wo nsem dwumadie e na oba behwe oba pa kuno di Esther enenne me ne NDC Deputy Secretary e na aye de ye ba betwetwe nkomo afa Odachi wo nsem dwumadie so honorable pache mu akwa aba e ba Odachi wo nsem dwumadie so e na aside that so ahwefo ne Ghana for so mafio papa
well we das said Yes, I can say everything come on. And share MPP NDC. Say we dey say from na Ebano. Baby, I start any baby you know. Say you be kan yasem. The Asham Nkranyaza.
Yes.
Kenya. Oso mo ni adwuma.
That's it. Ghana for me so omo ya da say na we see like boldness, like o kasa say o kasa be mo say Soja ni bia what is soja pay na?
Oh, David mean this soja pay, but here we wo Bema camp.
Good.
Mama papa soldier. Was started as a private soldier, but he ended up as a major general.
Okay.
In fact, Rwanda in 70cc 1994, the papa General Henry Kwame Anido Onona Odi Ghana contingent menu.
Okay.
they call Rwanda, they call Akom. And he was also the deputy force commander in Rwanda. I Kopo Jumapa under President Rawlings.
Okay.
I did in Young Kessie at the Bama. I was born in Bamakan, near Kutuka Primary School. I was Bamakan, Fire Woman, 37 Military Hospital.
Okay.
And so I was born and bred in the barracks. So,
and then what you
well, that's my life. Not coming here, I can't be soldier, but I send back community.
That's the Ghana for a found on a bow.
Well,
also, like the way you talk, Okasa member once a Okasa, then like you talk in boldness.
Well, I guess it's part of the training, part of the military training, and of course, so what kind of career unsuru?
Yeah.
Who didn't run whatever 1919 change. So I try to play my politics with a lot of integrity. Say the minister
yeah.
But near ensign fata say no menye. You know, so that now I'm and of course, apart from my own background, my papa training or the my. Of course, my late mother, Nakopo for the crazy. In politics itself, we share Juma closely, President Mills, Nakopo for the crazy. A man of astute integrity. A man of astute integrity. So, NDC Nangaza was formed on the principles of probity and accountability, integrity under President J.G. Rawlings. So, some of us still believe in the probity, accountability, integrity, and we'll never compromise on it. So,
now, do you buy the idea? Someone say most Ghanaians say, because Ghana had the Senate, a city and Kenyan military would say, Rawlings, His Excellency Rawlings time. So,
Edika. No, Edika. Up to a point, we need to revolutionize governance and the governance system.
Okay.
Just yesterday, Namine, current sanitation minister, Kofi Ada, AMA boss Solomon Ajay, under the auspices of Imani Ghana, they were program BSO British Council Library. A film sanitation. And then Ghana, yes, upon open defecation. So, my uncle, a giant 9 were born so by heart. The whole of Africa, in a Tosumino.
Yeah.
Country at Tosubakum, Sudan.
Okay.
Sudan is a war torn country. The Banisen and Ghana, in the Tosumino. And if you look at the whole discussion, we need a revolution as far as fighting sanitation is concerned. And the whole of the bar, make us in Yasa military rule Libya. Because not even under military rule, this was under PNDC 1, under President Rawlings. Never probably a friend of W1 Sally from Mankwa.
Okay, Martini Dino.
Anna or a retired soldier. Second, who knew now do second. Now would jai pin crowd circular. The boys in the becho. Your chill one man, the Bama prior sepra. Said we are painful crowd now would jai be Ubepra. And circle was neat. And yes, if they be the human rights, now, bro, for you die. I have human rights. And they say, Timwa, and then a few. Exactly. So we need some form of revolution. At least in the area of fighting sanitation, there must be a revolution.
That's a Peninsu said, Tamana, your former
President Rawlings himself used to enter the gutters.
Yeah.
You understand? Nima for Kobisa, Ashama. He himself was leading the crusade. When our cocoa beans were stuck in the forest, President Rawlings himself was leading the crusade to go and carry cocoa beans on his back to bring to the main cities so we can transport to the ports. Leadership, by example, Sebe Yanka said, President, dear President, Embura Gatamu, Debi. Because a group of Israel, then it means that systems need to. But we need a revolution to fight at least sanitation. As for the other issues, we can discuss them later. But it's one more almost say, Omunyanga, then go back to the military rule. Omudika, because Emuni almost a pen in here.
Okay. On say most Ghanaians can say, Tamana the former Accra Mayor, Dr. Alfredo Kovandakwe, Esisuno. If you must go Munya and Nepa, come up a pan free say. On the on so sorry for the way they tassel one day, yes, no. And all come marketplaces, and I say, your baby, it's a slums new way to me making sure say, oh, ye, your mum be a clean or honor. First, no, there's an uncle for so or hard, and then and so and then I want you go for na Gina market second so when you because a fear doors.
That's the problem, Esther. What the trotro mukra, not driver, equal speed. Now, uncle car. Mama can't trotro because I don't know, Ocasa now you two know. Now, want to meet not trotro woman in speed and a car.
Seriously,
Obetuma baking crime, they say accident. They see news 6 o'clock news. And I hear from whom, and then. Quencher be see or him for and a nipper him. Nina say, insure air top at the compound house. No, o neighbor was shut up by insure no tunnel. I've been waiting baller and what we pay. I will shave got him. Say, you for baller no go and for baller no going.
Oh, come on,
exactly because I want out there. A do baby a baller no corner. Na go see what. Isi na fe nsuo no nya kwan nkobuma na nsuo na yiri aba abefa nyina na kom nipa nso nipa da seni e na yeye. So we must begin the revolution from our educational sector.
Yeah.
National Commission for Civic Education, NCC, Kwame Nkrumah Adebayo. That was the whole idea for civic education, because we need to add it to the curriculum. And can it near or sama for tankers for tankers, you demand, you say tankers. You bow fear not baller will fear massa. You trocrata and my district assembly. A final.
Yeah.
You have a bow loses here. And two says a masama bar, massa, sorry, a proud fee. At Dana, yes, I'm for some baby.
Very good.
And no be best one a baller. Every kaswa, every awushi, how much you could drone kind. Now we jabber no, quite no. I said until or shall I have what jabber no. Or we say, oh, yet would be. HDB or Baba Toma dear, I am crying. In Subeto, a year, a funny year after you say a buying and BGA. One our criteria. So we need the revolution from the educational curriculum, from kindergarten, from primary school, secondary school, environmental studies. There was a year key studies. Say baller. And even domestic. Say fee cry baller. Yamfa pentoa, entoa. Yamfa milk chance, entoa.
Yes.
And some the Diane Dianatoa. So from the household itself, our waste management at the household itself must be revolutionized.
Yeah.
So that we understand that even in the household, unnum beer and I said unnum Guinness beer. So one found to create more. And yeah, the ball and they are different.
Yeah.
Can't drink, cook, the ball are different.
Yeah.
And some Adriania so the ball are different. Once we start separating, you understand?
Yes.
Waste product even at the household level. After a ball for no cars never far. The thing is already separated.
Yeah.
And if they go to the compost plants, it's easier. Then it means that we can recycle waste in real time and on a faster basis. But when the SCCS are now, you can't even go bother back. Doing so, wine. After you could do even the compost planter, the time to even separate the waste, you have no idea. So we need a revolution, at least in waste management.
Good. Nah, not a band saying I'll be around politics.
Oh, politics, they make sure they do me, but several things I say, Yapokwana, and Nimia, time and I here, Mujapo, and whatever I mean,
yeah.
Aha, indeed. Ninjin is a man, the Papa will be about politics, but I have always loved politics. Look, and
I can see from your
your
newspaper.
Exactly, my graphic. Oh, yes. You know, and
I want to swap in that.
Well, I read from Nkora Bremo.
Yeah.
We read my graphic newspapers religiously. There was this program, or there's still in fact a program. What do you know? Daniela Fariaboa. He has been hosting that program for God knows how many years. On Sunday afternoons, I don't miss it. I love current affairs.
Yeah.
I was a student in government. Actually had an A.
Good.
At A-level government, you know.
Yeah.
So I've always been interested in politics, and I read a lot. If you see all my books, this is something, an official handbook. You know, national and regional context. It's a book. It's a book on Ghana. So I take my time to understand the politics of Ghana. This is an abridged version of the
1990
Constitution
of the Republic of Ghana.
I keep it on me.
Okay.
It's like one of my, apart from my Bible.
Good.
You know, this is my Bible anyways. But this is another Bible that I keep on me. So politics has been with me, and I was actively involved in secondary school student politics.
Okay.
And at the university level, also involved heavily in politics at the university level. University of Ghana.
Okay.
I was in Legon Hall, the same hall as President Mills. And so politics in the area at the student level, and at the national level, you be fine, but the real mainstreaming began in 2001. Time I'm not NDC by opposition. 2001, and I hear Mbebunubino, myself, Haruna Idrisu, Clarissa Kolache, Jijote, Nakupon Fanny Crancy, Inusa Husseini, Nilampe Vandapo, a few of us.
Yeah.
There was a few Ankara.
Okay.
No more.
Okay.
Then we came together to form the NDC Youth Forum, and we pushed the agenda, and we are still pushing the agenda.
Okay. Wahwɛ for person who can't say na who books we then ka Bible verse ba ko to ne nkɔgye nkranto ma mo hu sɛ woni na yɛ den keke na mogya no so ne wo keke a wo tun nim nyamia sɛ pa we then ka twɛ Bible obɛka hyɛ wo ne akɔgye nkranto aba ti ne nyina yɛ sie.
I think Philippians 3:13.
Aha mo say dey
wo. Say the mo na we no omo we nkɔ ne we nim no and e wo say bon by.
Clap for all. Ya kwaje nkwato aba afẹ no betina se oda achi owu nsem dwumadie na wo hye ye kwa aba ye ba ye de nkomo no ye de ebeto aso ye da ba se
Mpomudi wonsam yemfe ndi agro enu nti na se wonum edro papa nko a Exodus Moringa capsules ne Exodus Dandelion capsules Eyenta enunti yenum bom you wait too na you wait too nanom 1 hour answer na wedidi 3 times a day eba ne sa ebo mamoja ne die fro sane na fe e boost wo immune system no na kwatia yarewa ahodo minimum ye se obie nim dia moringa tumi ye na dandelion so yenim na we die ye se numbom enti wa wo hwa se wo pandudu wetu a Bomodian na kore Past Ventures ewo Okaishi Drug Lane ewo Accra anase freyen ewo 02732555533 Exodus enwa dance die doso
carry some pakbobi your friend no ajovi she dey come from Achiavi esuni nyinechi wo ye Ghana ni pakbo pa it's your boy King Bongo aka Kibo. You are watching him, dear mommy, on Odachiwa Winsem live on TV7. Kibo!
Keep watching Odachiwa Winsem on TV7.
Say no to mosquitoes. Say no to kakalika. Mosquito spray for phobia. Any classic no. Uko gaswa kasami dia no. Mami me tobacco tamino. Mami no. Mosquito for AM and Sansumpu was yet as a classic no mosquito spray and coil. Who better feel it?
Asidan koma obi bia wonya abotrete na ase e ma ye kwaje nkrato o ye den e ba ye afi no be so TV na aya oda ache wo nsem dwumadie e na wo hwe miamini oba papu no di Esther nenne odba kwam ni di nkomo no ye NDC Deputy Secretary Foku Anido. Or no, and a nay, and then a kitchen come more if I would actually with simply so. All politics, one regrets you a woman now.
Oh, well, a group of we are sometimes say you're target too. Yeah, the abandon. It's still quite easy, one real wish, but I don't have no regrets. I've enjoyed every bit of it. I used to. I've worked in the media for 25 years. I still operate in the media. I once worked with the United Nations High Commission for Refugees, Ghana. United Nations. For example, Kabatoa, Ghana. I share refugees for so. Omoa. Ebi akonsi Liberia, Sierra Leone, Omaba Ghana. In fact, the first batch of Sierra Leonean refugees Omaba Ghana, I was part of the group that accepted them. Then the first batch of Liberian refugees are Omokoye under voluntary repatriation. So I was part of that group, of course. Then I worked in the banking sector, financial sector for close to 10 years. But the interesting aspect of politics is that and you're boring.
Really?
Yeah, every day comes with its own challenge. And you are dealing with human beings, on a first-hand basis.
Okay.
And so for me, having worked with refugees for a time, also dealing with suffering human beings, for theirs is worse than us citizens.
Yeah.
These are people who are displaced. That they've left their home countries and they have come to another country.
Yeah.
And you see suffering. And so for me with politics, engaging people on a daily basis is the joyous aspect of it.
Okay.
It's not boring. It can be challenging, it can be daunting, it can be tasking, but it's not boring.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not boring. And for me, I remember all the campaign rounds a year with President Mills, Randaju, Ewia, Anopa, Tamana, Yepe, door to door, Mbekaya. You started door to door, house to house. You did lorry stations, you did markets, you did Punano, Aya Farifo, you did schools, you did Infa. And the bar Beno Ghana for my bar Bemo. And I used to write President Mills' speeches.
Okay.
These are even copies of the State of the Nation address.
Okay.
2010, 2012. I used to write all his speeches. And so, draw speech now Kaise, Moko, Ebia Binduri, Moko, Tanibe, Moko Anyako, Moko Asesewa. And then some Ahimfone, a member Kachreona. You put that in the speech, and the president re-echoes the worries of the people. They get so excited. Say, Inti Okai. So Obahano, Yekasasim which them. That alone brings joy to the people. Say be crying to me and yet Adena Mamu. The fact that Wakai Omo how and Omokumaso Epeno is enough. So continuously watching people getting satisfied with the demeanor of President Mills gave me a lot of joy. Gave me a lot of joy, and I have no regrets at all. I have no regrets. In fact, one thing I used to do, was to keep a diary. And in this diary, I'm trying to write my own book. In this diary, you see, I actually have details of the things that happened around the time President Mills
So how long have you been in politics?
passed on. I can give you a rundown of events that happened in July of 2012, and even on the day that President Mills passed on. And so, for the kids also, what they need to do is to learn to use the diary.
Okay, so for how long have you been in politics?
Oh, I've been in politics actively for 25 years, I think.
Wow, was I even born by then?
I've been in active politics for 25 years. I mean, if you combine student politics and mainstream national politics, more than 25 years, yes.
Okay. The person wished to be a politician. Who inspire you, but when you have access to education, it is any panel.
That is why, you see, the education is good, but that is why the 1992 Constitution, abroad, you see every film written rule, our Constitution. This Constitution, it will be a friend of consultative assembly.
Okay.
a yɛte kuo bi a wɔn na wɔn dwendwen nyama no so ansa na yɛpurupuru mu a yɛbɛda ne constitution consultative assembly and at the time President Rawlings decided, said, look, Ghana and Yabako for there.
Yeah.
So at the consultative assembly level, carpenters, hairdressers, farmers, masons, tailors, barbers, butchers, they were all part of the consultative assembly to draw up this 92 constitution. But you know the interesting thing? The NPP, New Patriotic Party, boycotted the consultative assembly because almost say almost your lawyer for and they can't sit in the same room with butchers, barbers, tailors and dressmakers. Psalm 92 constitution NPP has no hand in it.
Okay.
Yes. They were not part of the consultative assembly. They boycotted it because they said they couldn't sit in the same room with tailors and butchers and masons and so NDC, if you look at our antecedents, and I say you fire Bible, yen the baby ye freedom. Obiam bekam, but MPP in Tichemu, in Pipemu, a few people, a few elites, and a Bushian, a Kobakumian, one more there. And that is what is happening today at Nana Akufo-Addo.
So it's really sad.
So going to school is good, yes. We believe in education from Kwame Nkrumah's days. In fact, even from colonial days, education is good. From biblical days, education is good. But the fact that you have not been to school does not bar you from entering politics.
Okay.
Now, you have Makola, any Kaneshi, any Techimanjung. Do you know the politics they know?
Seriously?
What? They understand politics more than you and I.
Seriously?
What? Oh, yeah, politics. No one can or politics in the encore. Yes.
It won't sell.
I'm telling you, it won't sell. So they understand politics.
They do.
Yes. But not all of them will be elected. But they understand politics. So it's good to go to school as we want to inspire the youth to go to school. Yes, it's good to read and write. But the fact that you have not been to school does not stop you from entering politics.
Really?
Yes. You may have challenges.
Okay.
Especially baby, if you say echo, for fidie, you see internet, you see WhatsApp, you see Facebook, say the constitution I'm a fan and then say at least send me to me kind So it's good to go to school. But if you have not gone to school, it doesn't bar you from doing politics. Yes. It's the ability. Tema apadaye. Se tunwa shede. Enye pese kuminya. Debi. Enye abin besimi nkodi. Se bese abin kra yen chendi. Enye besimi nkodi yen che no bi enye bindi.
Also rap politics is getting to 25 years now, right? More than 25 years now. Once a youth be ha, when say be one crying ha, and I say be any of the 10 regions in Ghana, how you say. Now, or no, when me uncle for Sukuibi, or no, so you must so when see me, and yes, one person obey a new biao, but one me feel. Sika in me feel. Have you ever encountered such a situation? Our boy be paying.
We counter them on. If I nano. Na me want to be friend. Or friend man shada and kind. Or you want or see o say me kai or be kind. Na time na ye wan ben mo. Or ba me ho. We University of Ghana. And now be get fund scholarship. E dey akwa money. Akoni PhD in renewable energy. We name the baby, but the idea is say you be boa. Into oba ya o kan answer na say okay no problem. And I'm train my pen. And I'm throw note. They give me complimentary card nechi. So on come get fund administrator. I help you some gaba.
Okay.
So be to me on board. So call you know. In one or couple of our call Bruchino Scotland. Wasamba ebe research to prepare to work on his thesis finally. Into about our friend said, or Bechiami in until Basi share. You could share or Miss Quentin because on party headquarters. Or buy a moon of them kind of say, Uni. Eja, or to handkerchief, the man. I felt good.
It's blessing.
It's blessing. Sebi. So to me, Kai, a to handkerchief. Yes, Papa. That is the joy of being a politician for me. Say ube buanipa. And all over the country. Ya boa. Say baby papa say obe bi amaso be ni nyina. De betumi aye yaye. De betumi akoso aye no. E koso aye.
Okay. Yes. So you know like to see
in fact, it's another typical example. Mami bi minim de baby. Oba yo say ope Mogakra akoyi Brazil, ma Brazil.
Let's go.
Ewo
Yeah,
Kantamanto.
Kantamanto.
Into Opebusia.
Okay.
This was 2007, 2008 on. And I'm a man, 100 Ghana cedi. I can it 1 million.
Yes, that was one time.
Thank you. About 4 months, 5 months down the later, and no somebody, me man kind of cry, and no be done with this or no buy us or pay Busia. I could Brazil. Now, Baba Damas, and 1 million I'm a demand. What called Dania Daniti, or the Madia, I'm telling you, I'm casting home for. Obi wa ope 100 Ghana 50 Ghana e da koto kusia create ba kompe I start aton ade na mini mami ba ko bi so techiman jom ono na odipa omo mo di jeni e ba jom omo di jeni no ba no asoa jeni no no de na o di kochima e ko ton ma o ntare no de ro beba sika no de beba no ya be bi krama oh honorable me 2 million per amount million top nyankasa me jene sack back.
Those days you start it all.
Those days
That can cope with them.
And ne okwa or ye magajia kitani stores kitani fridges and on one for obi wa ho share the church or so to ice water or per ice chest keke. How many years ago and ne kitani store ne Manu University asani pano okok no kokoto da popo ni no se nyapopo ishrawa nyapopo ishrawa
the way for be
so that is what we do.
Okay.
Yes.
As in say ebia Ghana for sure to see na hwe for sure to see any chrome for ehwe see no say you call chrome see na e bo din a how will they like accept you?
Look,
project when why if you come ya mom what be na youth no ho enya fa
and kai betimi akọ me library and ga me documents that letters letters of appreciation.
Good.
For coming mama free anyako me papa free Tanyigbe. You will see letters of appreciation. If I in Tanyigbe almost sheda e boja
okay
e yimaye e damase depend at least they bit me in terms of school infrastructure. Get fund, girls dormitory, boys dormitory, ICT centers, headmasters bungalow, teachers bungalow, 12 unit classroom blocks, 6 unit classroom blocks, even road infrastructure. It's me aboa, am I? Omo ebe jomo juma, ya bet me aboa, facilitating, but of course you must have the qualification. Yeah. So sebe mint na bomb and Kasama Basso, but I'm saying, even I'm a member of the EP Church of Ghana, okay. the Evangelical Presbyterian Church. Okay. Maybe I will show you a picture later on subsequently. You can do your cutaways subsequently. But community to service, we have done a lot and we continue to do it. Men call me Papa, a crum is here, a mobium puni. Men call me Mammy Chromobium puni.
Okay. So a brother Bunya, our cider. Senabe I shall for who say, you walk in no, a no crano, like the facts. After see you will know, even Mamma, I could chrome a rebel war side and now as a coaching project and just to inspire the youth, because most of the youth think say politicians it's wedding. Which is not so, because what a command is say or ensure that was wedding. Got to say I'm not square book, no politician, but it's
and I make us any program, can I send so by scholarship or free Mikromo,
you see,
or free Chanapaka,
okay,
or Upper East region, Ben Avlongo. So we help across the land and breadth.
okay.
But Sebi, so we are turning in Sabenkum and Shady. Ya bomb on the so.
Good.
Yeah.
That's all same to my DNA. The Wuswa Wushi in Common my head, I sham. Honorable. Ghana da wase uko mfo so da wase NDC for so yeden e da wase on say wonam ti se fa say o Accra hanti let's focus on Accra here especially circle ne kaneshi mu ne tudu mu ne hu nkro ne ba so wonam wona hu say junkie so say one for you amona na mo a wo feel say o hu ni say entity any one ma mo fi ama say bia e bia a bit my say either NDC government or NPP government or official government and the buy na amwa and am use no I go astray.
The be also if you fear now can I will for Obanon ball from and I will say all pine of comfort. What could later on crash and you know no ball from just kafra keke obe catch that one country. Or the Yaudi, one they will pay, you know, or some by family. Parents should be humble enough to say, I'm sorry to their children.
Seriously?
Yes. Parents should be humble enough to say, I'm sorry to their children.
Yes.
Simple. It makes you look bigger. It doesn't make you look small.
Your child will respect you more.
Thank you. But this business where we are na intimidate me nyamboni my boni kra me pacho
oka come see penny in pacho.
Thank you.
Which is wrong.
It is wrong. Oh, I'm sorry. Of course, any day I'm sorry now be pacho. But where you have genuinely hurt him or her as an individual, if you say I'm sorry, what's wrong with it?
What's wrong with it?
Now why too free or somebody after on the streets. Now 12-year, 11-year-old, 10-year-old girls are engaged in open prostitution.
Yeah. With no shame.
No, they can't be bothered. Broad daylight, one more year. I see me Pimin Budi, Ghana, in Kraya, who drew one up, Evia, Masa. Free for all, among friends here, among families, and you're very able. Actually, won't you be as their own cow? And so we need to check the home. That is the basic unit of society, the family, the nuclear family. Then, of course, there are also genuine challenges. Sikasem, or person or yakra, Sikanino, it is school fee, on to meet you, and a coroner jiga. This morning, I'm at BBC, we said Kenya, there be Uganda. Town, they were Uganda. They say, Mebunu, you know, give it up. Town.
Okay.
Oma papa. Ona mama musaso. It is almost say you are the mobile and the mother and count. Okay. And upon him so that is why as politicians we must be committed to the welfare of the people. Say we won't mean anything otherwise true. But our commitment must always be to the welfare of the people. Yenche maumo munibino. Omunya. And some one more money, we must have form account. But the business where one more be air phone, now one more money be in your bino. When one share a true baby. Because almost more dozen. No more sorry, Massa. Easy. So let's continue to take care of the welfare of the people. Social services, social interventions. That's the most important thing.
When you say corporate organizations, institutions, which is sorry, and I say they are maintain more company, they are the beer on one product. Most of them, on one the beer on first be my area, my baby, my C company, be a may products, may be viewable. Instead of my employee, they are youth no more around or honor as a more sustain no money be a common salon. Not a more for free outside, and no one can buy. Aside that, say, I'm sorry, more you walk. What moon said. Me nkasenti asori bia be wa wotimi Sophia wo preaching him say anti amani ansa anti akosua na anti Esther Otuwe ni fie sebi enye how to eat eye problem now so kakra na nipa although Bible say yenko na asori fie with insa pine but at least we won say sorry for no say eboa kakra unhu ni say nkeye
well asori asem dia e ko kana wan kan yi a no be ka say waka say tia jamini pa enti o kana yanka se bidu mo yade mo but say be fi bia menza wo yeah enti papa for and abone for so but to be frank the church has a strong role to play
Yeah.
If you are kind, I saw no sorry. No say one Sunday, woman quite sorry. The emphasis Sunday into war. The emphasis cleaning or minding my mother. By Monday, Ghana will be neat.
Seriously, by Monday, Ghana will be neat. Your papa didn't castle by your bar, you didn't come on, ever was young combra.
Yo Ghana, this is Richard Harrison, Ghana's leading heavyweight boxer. And we say, team no sleep, keep watching Udachi Owusim, power up.
Send no to mosquitoes. Send no to kakalika. Mosquito spray for Propiamo. And the classic no. Uko gaswa kasami bia mi no. Mami mi toba kwata menu. Mami no. No mosquito for ayam. And Samsung poo was yet as a classic no mosquito spray and coil. Who better feel it?
Mpomudi wonsam yemfe ndi agro enunti na ese wonum edro papa nko a Exodus moringa capsules ne Exodus dandelion capsules eyenta enunti yenum bom yiwe too na yiwe too na nom 1 hour ansa na wedidi 3 times a day eba ne sa ebo mamoja ne die fro sane na fe e boost wo immune system no na kwatia yarewa ahodo minimum ye se obie nim dia moringa tumi ye na dandelion so yenim na we die ye se numbom enti wa wo sha se wo pandudu etu a bomodian na kore Pass Ventures ewo Okaishi Drug Lane ewo Accra anase freyen ewo 02732555533 Exodus enwa dance die doso
se waje bre atweme amakwa kwaje nkrato aba honorable epese wo di afutuo anase ubi wakuma mu kan sembi to awofo a omo neglect omo mama omo nambo nte so ye niema a emfata ene wono ma omo social da pia omo manati ko so mo kwa bontin ko pesi camera.
Well, Esther, Imami Esther, this is first of all, Asadane de Bemawo.
Okay.
And TV7.
Yes, TV7. Inspiring your world.
Inspiring world. And the crew.
Yeah.
Stuttgart.
Yeah. Warfare.
Ejuma moye ejuma toa for me ka 2 years ejuma toa.
Yeah.
It is almost much more to ho say you engage people like us to inspire them to know.
Yeah.
It's a good effort. Yeah. Sebe TV ni radio no. E dro baby ana I say sebe o. Nsem hunu ene di airwaves ni di. Aha. As a we no mo emfa obi ahụ
obi mponye bi da
exactly so oba bi betumi run him extra eno na TV no pese wo yi
yes
sebe ni obetumi aka phone no na radio no airwaves no be ma no
yes
but some human interest issues they're not interested so for people to dedicate enough time to these human interest issues anya NDC MPP politics ni koka no yama mu mo no adwuma but like I was saying earlier on awofo emreda na order me
yeah
en kan tete no masa etumi the king etwa wachi ma 36 enye obi asem etumi the wire gods kra twa wachi ma enye obi asem yes ene say mra society e mo nkora na biu e yamba but eno so nkyere say ye ntinete no yeah maybe what but I'm telling you they must understand they must be disciplined
yeah so that one day if you
but discipline so broso enko ye high
yeah
I'm afraid to me mbeo and I can cry say masa I'm sorry
okay
manye ni enora because when we are and I'm no one crying but me won say asibesi na wi aye manye ni fache me then the child no say pe papa ne me manye omu ni ba okwa bontin kra na o chena okobọ krono a so kai e chopa ne papa de mana obeja kono no bo
obeja
but one book on no fie amomom na mo pai no konfo no Odro bonti no ria dia e fa ne ho because after all the few folk apart the crop we almost an comfort ade it dey no ko bonti ko bokro no but the papa apane chon onzo ko bokro no na ni be fia the papa ka say I don't know why I'm saying I don't know go massive. So charity they say begins at home. Then of course our institutions, let us respect our institutions. They believe churches, you know, but the churches should not also take their authority for granted. All in all, as a society, as soon as they say that young politicians must know truth, it will be about more. But all of us, Kofi Soha, Amma Soha, Abuna Soha, Kuya Soha, together we can help. And I'm a friend also, can. Sometimes I saw they no doors. Abutre, Kakra, Wajiga, Unya Abutre, into it. Now, no, someone Minya police, Adea, Kings Yaba, 19-year-old man, young man, for the Caesars, I will be a common. Adea, in Pranchim. In Pranchim, 19-year-old boy.
19-year-old boy.
Who to me, I should say, also. But I will be Caesars because of our bounty. And then, what them?
Forever.
1 year forever, 25 years, the MO. So, Ajo Brown, they should take it easy, master. I didn't know who do baby a baby cram enough no.
Yeah.
And we never try.
After my vessel TV, the net dear, or that you will some. I hear me a few foot be brave and so see a day a womb. But no worry, repeat near Friday, 11:30 a.m. Osha, role model, or mentor to send me a mitiheya. Or I'm a big role model and mentor because Okasa in boldness, so the more than woman to, and so sometimes I also come. When you go down to your politics, to be out here to say a person or a politician to say me honor be out here. Also, you could draw and also about training. I bet you can crave. No, I go up the right path because who never could drive them. Men try cry. And then I do that she own same to my dear ABC and answer a merape up no media so that I say my Ochedi and Ponkwame, so Mamma Hording, no mamma named dear and in the form and make me no much chunk come offer or that you own same to my dear any corporate organization, institutions, and I say, yeah, or be what's in the commercial company, why you are being said, or best supported you may dear. And I say, well, over sponsor, you know, you better welcome or do offer your number 0242103438. You bet you Sony and Barney at Snatch and she come. Who shares the says now once and you maybe to say, yeah, the pump, Samana ye, and I said, yeah, carpentry, and I said, you may be at any technical skills via winning here. What you are doing, so we two ways will constitute like a community. And I say we are constituency, and I say area I would say Nipa Bankwana, you know. Offer telephone number now 0242103438. And I saw her screen. I say telephone number and number one mouth fra. Offer or dash on some media so no one no one chem more bolga more time more voter. And person me born Nipa Bankuni community. You bet you more abaho, abetraba TV so fair. Na Edward yes so about the tuja. As that can see some come estimate cake collection send the washer matter. As like I said, so come my makeup artist, I Farida Khalifa, our man Proti. As that I said, so come my only small near Mastuga, our neighbors so grown above your son and Chadiana Bepe. Debbie, on about the woman too. There is no way I never turn it down. It's a good to castle. As like I said, so come offer. I'm friend offer about pet. Obibi obia onim se ono na make na asem me ma me wo fam mo e no bibiara ma hwefo nyina yakopon hira mo na mo dream enso nya den and come true to say media I come true at say me role model dey so I come true. Bye, see you next week.
Okay,
nice having you on my show.
Nice, continue the good work. Bye.
Okay,
all right then. Okay,
Yamamo baba
Enyano we are sure pass in the program okay wa we ni aji Udachi owunse fashion nyamisem fashion wawunsem so na koso suade koso hwe na Udachi owunse nyamisia
Udachi wawunsem